The phone keep falling. What's good, all my beautiful and handsome people? How y'all doing? Good. Hold on, I'm gonna adjust my seat right quick. This better. Y'all, it is raining. It's gonna rain almost all week. All week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I guess so. It rain. When it rain, y'all, it make me so drowsy. Comment down below if rain makes y'all the same way, because I be so drowsy. I don't feel like doing nothing. Just lay in the bed or lay across the bed and watch TV. But I'm out today, y'all, because I have to go to the store and pick up just a few items. That's all. I just need to get some, I need to pick up some water. 2 cases of water. And 2 cases of water and some snacks. I keep dropping it. But yeah, y'all, 2 cases of water and some snacks. I'm gonna show y'all the type of water that I be getting, and it's black owned. Like, black owned business, like, we supporting the blacks. Like, and it's some good water, like, it's very good. So when I show y'all, I need for y'all to go to your local grocery stores or order it off Amazon. It's called 1186 or something like that. It's in a blue bottle with a light blue wrapper. And once I get to this, why they don't have a signal light on? That's how a lot of accidents. But yeah, once I get to the grocery store and I get it, and I will show y'all. It's very good, clean, purified. Like, it don't taste like some of this other water. It tastes, some of this water tastes awful. It really do that. But once I get to the grocery store, I will show y'all. So. This is the good water. This is black on. I gotta hurry up and get back in the car because I left my baby in the car. I'm trying to find these freaking gingerbread cakes or whatever, and I don't see it. Oh, they go right in my face. I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get some donut sticks. I love donut sticks. I ain't trying to stand too long because my baby's in the car. Let me get some oatmeal. Yeah. It's 3 for $6. And let me get some ham, because I want some ham sandwiches and I gotta get that. So let me hurry before he wake up. Let me get, oh my god, this little ham cost $1.47. It used to cost 92 cents or 86 cents. Shit, turkey $2.05. Ain't number 4 or 5 slices of meat in this thing. You know what? Let me put that back and get this chopped ham. God damn, this high ass shit. Now let me go. I'm done now. But Y'all, I will get back with y'all when I get in the car, because I gotta go get my baby out this car. So I'll get back with y'all in the car. Okay, y'all. I had to just run in and run back out because I left my baby in the back seat. He's still sleeping. Y'all tried to hit on the window. I tried calling his name. He wouldn't wake up. But, hey, I just went in there at the water and some snacks. I forgot his chips or cookies, so but he'll be all right. But as y'all can see, the water that I was talking about, the 1186 water, is black owned. So if you haven't heard about it, if you know, just go to your local grocery store and see that they have it, or you can order it off of Amazon, or I can mail it to you. Like I said, or I can mail it to you, you know, either or, it don't matter, because we got plenty in our grocery store. I just went and got 2 cases of that, and I also went and got some beans, some green beans, the French style green beans, because this is my first time trying to cook those. I normally get the regular green bean because I'm gonna make some stuffed chicken breast over a bit of my homemade chicken flavored rice. Sometimes this week, I don't know yet. But that's what we be having to eat. Oh, they clean that area off. But, yeah, guys, this is just a little short video because I was out and I was running to the grocery store. So, you know, I be trying to vlog or whatever. So, and I haven't made a cooking video in a while, but, you know, I'm going to get back to it. So, also, guys, don't forget, go ahead and hit the like button. I don't know what y'all waiting for. Go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button, because y'all, I'm almost at 1,400 subscribers. I need 600 more, and you're gonna be at 2K. Then I can do the Cash App giveaway. So go ahead, you know, do what you gotta do. Run them hours up. Come on, y'all. I know y'all got it. Tap in with me. Let's vibe. Don't worry about this on my head, y'all. It's raining. And I wasn't finna mess with my wrap up. So I got my I got this under there along with my bunny. This other thing is just, you know, it's a wrap. It's to keep my wrap down. So I wasn't finna let this rain mess up my hair. Not today. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next day neither. So but yeah, I will this is it in this video, y'all. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed, stay dry, stay beautiful, stay handsome. And you know, your girl will see y'all on another video, because girl almost